Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome to the end of the week. It's Friday, so let's get right into today's segment of Food for Thought, where I like to give you bite sized nibbles of mental nourishment. So, Friday, April 4th, Black women must forgive Black men for not being there to protect them. Suleiman Latif. Okay, so yesterday we spoke about Black men needing to forgive. Had to know the Black women speech was coming. Etched into the memory of our being are the very painful memories of the past. What they feel like today are Black men are irresponsible. Black men can't be trusted. Black men are no good. Are we really talking about Black men today? Or are we remembering those of the past who were powerless to save our grandmothers from the events that created the painful memories? Whether the memories are from yesteryear, last week, or last night, Black women, we must individually and collectively forgive Black men. We must forgive our grandfathers and brothers, our husbands and sons. If we have an anger for one Black man, we have an anger toward them all. We must forgive Black men for leaving us. We must forgive them for the excuses they did not make. We must forgive them. We must forgive Black men for the things they say. We must forgive them for the things they do not do. Forgiveness is the only way to free ourselves and our masculine complements from the atrocities committed against our mutual souls. Meaning the atrocities has an imprint on all of us, Black men and Black women. There is a place for forgiveness within me. Today, I lovingly share it with Black men. Black man, I love you. I'm talking about my father, my brothers, my exes, baby daddy. I forgive you. I forgive you. And there's really not much else to be said. And hopefully this resonates with someone to the point where you want to call your father, you want to call your brother, you want to call that person who you've been holding a grudge against for all of these years, just to tell them that you forgive them. And to be honest, I've done that before, and I literally called my dad and told him that I forgive him. And he said to me, this is full transparency right now. He said to me that he didn't need forgiveness, and that I needed to ask for forgiveness. And that was his response. So what we can't be worried about is how the person is going to respond. We're going to respond. Sometimes we can live so far into our egos that we miss an opportunity for change. In my opinion, that was his opportunity for change, and he failed it. But that's not my problem. I did my part. And so I encourage you, if there's someone out there that you need to forgive, go ahead and do it. Don't worry about how they're going to respond. Don't allow yourself to get reeled into any kind of conversation that is not beneficial to you. You know, if you want to rehash the past in order to get it out, do that, but no arguing. So I hope this helps. This one was really deep. I don't know, it hit home more for me when they spoke about Black women forgiving, because I'm a Black woman and I have had men in my life that I need to forgive. Or I've forgiven people, but not out loud, you know, and sometimes you just need to make that phone call. You never know what that may do for a person. it may make a person's day. You just never know. So if it's on your heart after watching this to call somebody and tell them that you forgive them, do it. Forgive yourself for holding the grudge. Whether it's an ex, anybody, any man, any woman, really any person, but specifically Black women, we talking to you. Call your father, call your brother, call your uncle. Some things to me are unforgivable. So, you have to be the judge of that. And with that being said, leave your comments below. Let me know how this resonates with you. If you didn't see the Food for Thought segment yesterday, then check it out, because it's literally the same topic, but encouraging men to forgive women. And as a community, I said it yesterday and I'll say it again, we have to forgive each other. We're holding on to so much hurt, even holding on to hurt that we've seen our grandmothers and great grandmothers and our grandmothers go through at the hands of the men in their lives. So in order for change to happen, it has to begin with you. We have to start changing our mindset. We have to start changing how we respond to these things. So I love you. I'm going to get off of my soapbox now. Today is Friday, so I won't be back until Monday. I hope you have a fabulous weekend. Subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Share it with someone who you think needs to see it. And follow me on Instagram, A Plant-Based Foodie. Love you.